My name is Ryan Van Fleet. I'm a Director of Insights and Analytics at Tremor Media, which is an online video specialist. In day-to-day, I basically look at data for our campaigns, our publishers, to figure out the best match between campaign goals and the offering that we have at Tremor Media. Research and data are very important for online video. The industry has only been around for a few years, so it's necessary to prove its worth compared to other media, such as a television or radio, that have been around for almost 100 years or so. You have to prove why they need to explore into online video and what works for online video. Advertisers know what works for TV. It's been around, they have models that have been tested throughout the years. So it's really important to show that online video can really fit into the media mix model and really drive success for an advertiser. So the best way to compare online video with TV is not necessarily a replacement of TV, but is more of a complement to TV. So it's about gaining massive reach on TV and then getting your incremental reach online. The best practice for using research and data for online video is first to use the data that you're collecting. We focus on providing a wide variety of metrics, everything from the delivery to performance metrics from a campaign, so your engagement rates, your completion rates, your time spent, all the way through brand awareness metrics, so your message association, your purchase intent metrics. The way to use it is to make sure you're optimizing based upon the data that you have, as well as using that data for future campaigns. Secondly, you need to make sure the research that you're doing with the campaign aligns with the campaign goals. And then also the last thing is to make sure you have a large enough campaign to measure. So not only measuring, was this campaign successful, but what about this campaign was successful? What areas were driving your awareness or your intent metrics? The metrics brands really should focus on for online video are engagement metrics and awareness metrics and intent metrics. So not so much as click-through rates or getting people to the site, but more so engagement rates with the ad, the time spent with the ad, how much time users are watching it, what are the different engagements that a viewer is taking? Are they watching additional videos? Are they playing the game within the unit? Did the advertisement drive them to make a purchase in the store? So basically combining those metrics instead of focusing on, did this ad get the viewer to the site? It's more about how much time is this person spending with the ad and are they really engaging with my brand? We work with a variety of partners, including Nielsen, Comscore, Dynamic Logic, and Viso, and we basically align the strengths of each of those companies with specific campaign goals in order to provide the best research available to the client. So for example, if a client wants to know how their online video campaign is interacting with their TV campaign, we would use a Nielsen. If the client is interested in learning what the viewer did online after exposure to the campaign, we would use a Comscore. If the advertiser or the brand is focused on the intent metrics or the awareness metrics, we would use Dynamic Logic or Viso. Formats that really work best for online video are formats that allow a viewer to interact with the brand. So it's basically delivering the sight, sound, and motion through the video and then allowing them to get additional information about the brand, whether it be through additional videos, photographs, or a how-to video. Viewers can engage with the ad, get more information, and spend more time with the brand, which is something you can't do via TV or a radio or print advertisement. We recently did a study where women told us they want to know more information about what brands are doing, what's in their products, how to use the product. And with some of the interactive formats that we offer, you can basically deliver this information to the consumer within their viewing experience. Tremor Media offers a variety of advertising formats which allow a viewer to not only experience the 15-second spot, but allow them to interact more with the brand. We also offer an engagement format called the V-Choice In-Roll. What this allows a user to do is to interact more with the brand after they've seen a portion of the ad. They watch the ad for a little bit and then an engagement slate appears where they can watch additional videos, interact more with the brand, play a game. So the data we collect is basically across everything. We collect all the interactivity with the video. So click-through rates, completion rates, engagement rates, how many videos they're watching within the ad, how much time they're spending with the ad, the time of day, the day of week, the site channels of the types of content that they're running against. We collect all of that information and use it to optimize the campaign towards the advertiser's goal. And what we do is we provide a dashboard to the advertisers that they can log into at any given point during the campaign and see what signals are really driving how their campaign is performing, whether it be time of day, demographics, or the answer to the intent questions that we're asking the user. Click-through rates really don't work for online video. So again, basically you're trying to bring the experience to the viewer and allowing them to be aware of the message and really interact with the brand within the space that they're in, instead of trying to drive them to a site. The beauty of video is you're allowed to bring that information to the viewer in the environment that they're in.